I mean, I've heard of people crawling through pipes, but I've never walked through one before. Let's try it. Let's see if we can go through a corrugated metal pipe. It's at least 3, 4, 5, 6 feet in diameter. We're going to find out right now. We're going through there. Let's try it. Oh boy. This is great. Oh, it looks brand new. Wow. This is the shiny one. There's a lot of room in here. I mean, the sound is nice. It'd be a good place to practice down here. It's cool and make sounds. There's no cougars. There's no bears. At least we hope so. Wow, that was awesome. Brand new pipe. Didn't really